Oh man, I forgot the. Professor. What's the name? What's the answer for number 4? I don't understand it.
Shut up! I'm trying to learn here.
But no, but I can't see the board.
I can't focus. Get out of here.
Wait, where are you? Wait, where are you going? Where are you?
Professor, what's the answer to number 4?
Can you please just be quiet for once? I'm trying to learn here, okay?
But I can't see.
You know what? If you can't see, move up. Move up.
But I gotta stay back here.
Why? Huh? Why?
I like it back here. I can't see the board.
I'm dropping out. It's not worth it.
What are you doing? Where is he going?
Screw yourself.
Professor, can you do that?